How's it going, guys? Andrew Murphy here, and welcome back to the channel Wondershare Repairit, which is a one-stop solution that can repair various kinds of corrupt or damaged videos or even photos just for you, be it in the form of an MKV, MP4, AVI, JPEG, and many more. So sometimes you can't get VLC Media Player to play your MKV files, but thankfully we have some solutions for you today. So when using the VLC Media Player to play your videos, many users have similar issues from time to time, and some problems are caused by the player, while others are caused by the video file being corrupt. Now, despite its ability to hold video, photo, picture, and subtitle content in a single container, MKV is not yet an industry standard that any media player actually supports. So today we'll chat about how to play MKV files in VLC by fixing all the issues you might face. But before getting started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon if you do find this video helpful. Also, do make sure to like this video and share your experience with the MKV files in the comments below. Now, MKV files don't play in VLC for a variety of different reasons. Issues caused by either hardware decoding, missing codecs, missing components, improper audio or video codec settings in VLC, MKV file corruption, and so on can be the causes. Now, firstly, what is an MKV file? As I mentioned before, MKV is not an industry standard. Matroska video file, or MKV video file, is a video format and open source container that can hold many different video, audio, image, and subtitle files. The MKV file format is used by many instead of, say, like an AVI or an MP4 format. Now, there are a few common issues MKV files face when you try playing it on a VLC media player. The first issue is quite a common one. While playing an MKV file, VLC might end up popping up a dialog box to skip the opening MKV file. And this is because VLC does not support the MKV playback file. And actually, VLC Media Player doesn't play MKV files sometimes. So when trying to open an MKV file, it can display either like a gray screen or display an error box when playing an MKV file, or it can even just load the MKV file forever. But sometimes VLC allows you to play an MKV file, but it ends up being a little bit choppy. Having chopping videos in VLC can really distract the viewer and take away the enjoyment of the watching experience, and several factors can cause a choppy, jerky, or broken video. Faulty SD cards, technical problems, audio-video codec issues, obsolete media players, corrupt or damaged video files, unsupported video file formats, and so on are possible causes. But being choppy is not the only issue, so the video might sometimes even end up having, say, like no sound, which can be seriously frustrating. When the VLC Media Player fails to create audio when watching your videos, it can be super annoying because the audio experience is just as necessary as the visual experience as well. VLC could also end up having troubles and crash abruptly, and that is because of heavily loaded files, and an MKV file definitely won't play. So sometimes the VLC player can suddenly crash abruptly, which can be super frustrating if you're trying to watch an MKV video file. And this can be due to several reasons, similar to why it becomes choppy or hard to watch. And one of the biggest reasons for these issues might be because the MKV file is actually damaged. Now, the MKV file may get corrupted or damaged in rare instances, preventing VLC from playing it. However, you may be able to fix it with a video repair program. And Wondershare Repairit is one of the most powerful solutions available today. This ultimate corrupt video file fixer can fix movies from various sources, including memory cards, SD cards, computer hard drives, digital cameras, action cameras, and many more. So now that we know all the common issues, let's find the perfect solution for all these problems. A video can be played in a variety of different ways, and one method is using software decoding. Using your computer's processor or CPU, a video player reads the video file and decodes the information. However, hardware accelerated decoding is significantly less efficient when it comes to handling MKV files. So it is best to disable the hardware decoding feature before you can think of watching an MKV file on the VLC Media Player. So to do this, first you need to go to the main menu and then Preferences. Then under the Input Codecs tab, uncheck the hardware accelerated decoding to disable this feature. So this can help with viewing the MKV files on the VLC Media Player. However, when you download the VLC Media Player, the hardware decoding is by default in the disabled mode. And if you haven't made any changes in the settings and yet can't still open MKV files, then the issue may be something else. Sometimes while streaming MKV files, you might not be able to hear any sound, and that's when you need to check if you have unmuted it or not. So if the problem persists while you watch MKV files with VLC Media Player because the audio isn't working or the video isn't showing up, then check the VLC Media Player settings. To enable audio settings on the VLC Player, go to the main menu and then Preferences, then to the Audio tab, and see if the Enable Audio option is checked or not. If it isn't already selected, then make sure to check it, then click Save. However, if the trouble is with the video itself, then go to the Video tab and make sure the Enable Video Chat box is also ticked. Alright, so now what if you open a file and it's just skipped entirely? So this often happens when you're trying to open an MKV file in the VLC Media Player, but it literally just gets skipped without even seeing a glimpse of the video. So if you're wondering how to watch MK videos without being skipped, then I have the perfect solution for this problem. And all you need to do is adjust the input codec settings. For this, all we need to do is first go to the main menu and then Preferences from the menu bar. Now choose Input Codecs from the open list and click Show All Sections at the bottom of the page. Then click the Input Codec section, scroll down and set the file caching under Advanced to 1000 ms or higher. Then to save these settings, simply click Save. Now if you have tried all the above and still can't get the problem to go away, there is a significant problem with your MKV file, and to cure any damage or issues with your MKV video file, you may have to use a professional video repair solution. So memory card errors, file transfer errors, interrupted system shutdowns, damaged recovered videos, malware assaults, and other factors might cause video file corruption. And Wondershare Video Repair is a program that can help you fix your videos, and it supports a broad range of video formats, each with its own set of damage indicators. So why not try out Wondershare Repairit, because it has an excellent support for batch repair, numerous video file formats and device kinds, and there are other features to check out as well, which you can do by using a free trial version. To repair any video, first you need to add it into the Wondershare Repairit interface, and for this, simply click on the Add button. The next and final step is to click on the Repair button, and Wondershare Repairit will provide the repaired video, and all you need to do is save it successfully. But also as well, before you save it, you can actually preview the video without a time limit as well. And it is always essential to invest in a good video repair software to not face the same issue like this ever again. So even though VLC Media Player is widely used and supports all kinds of standard video file formats, it occasionally has difficulties with particular file formats such as MKV. Depending on the origin of the player, you can attempt a variety of different solutions, but if the problem is that the MKV video file is corrupt, then using the Wondershare Repairit tool will solve this for you. Anyway guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and please let us know if you have anything that you think we missed in the comment section below. And also, if you do like this video, then be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.